Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Math, grade 7. We are in model 9, measures figures. Today we have lesson 4, volume. Today we want to learn volume. In this lesson, we want to learn how to find the volume of prisms and pyramids.
Volume of prisms. Teaching notes. The volume of a three-dimensional figure is the measure of space it occupies. It is measured in cubic units, such as cubic centimeters, parenthesis, centimeter cubed, and parenthesis, or cubic inches, parenthesis, inch cubed, and parenthesis. Select each card to learn about the formula used to find the volume of a prism. A rectangular prism has two parallel congruent bases that are rectangles. A triangular prism has two parallel congruent bases that are triangles.
As you see, here we have rectangular prism and here we have triangular prism. In the rectangular prism here, in the bottom here we have the base of the rectangular prism. The type of the base here will be rectangle. So the name of this prism will be rectangular prism. And here, as you see, we have the height of this prism. In the second figure here, look to the bottom here. We have the base. The base will be triangle. The base will be triangle. So the name of this figure will be triangular prism. And here we have the height of this prism. So the volume V means volume. V means volume. The volume of prism is a product of the area of the base B and the height H. When you multiply the area of the base by the height of the prism, you will get the volume. You will get the volume. So the volume get from the three dimensionals. We have here width, length. Width times length, you will get the area of the base, the symbol of the area of the base B, multiply by the third dimension times the height, we will get the volume. So we can use the formula V means the volume equal P means the area of the base. The area of the base multiply by the height.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I am. Do you have any question?
No, but the mic wasn't opening.
Okay. So volume of rectangular prism. What is approximate volume of the jewelry box? Round to the nearest tenths if necessary. As you see here, we have this box and we want to find the volume. So the first step, write the formula. V equal P means the area of the base times height. Substitution. So the base, this is the base down like this. Like this. How to find the area of the base? The type of this polygon here will be rectangle. So to find the area of the rectangle, multiply length times width. Length times width. So the length will be what here? 18.4. So we can write here 18.4. And what is the width? As you see, the width will be what? 14.8. Times the height. As you see, this is the height will be 25.6. 25.6. Now we can find the product. We have 18.4 times 14.8 times 25.6. So the answer will be 6,971.390. Now we have here centimeter, and here centimeter, and here centimeter. Centimeter times centimeter will be centimeter squared, or centimeter exponent 2. Centimeter exponent 2 times centimeter will be centimeter exponent 3. Now, centimeter exponent 3 or centimeter cubic. Centimeter cubic. Who has any question here?
No question for me.
No questions.
Find the volume of the prism. Round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. As you see here, we have triangular prism. To find the volume of this prism, start from the formula V equal B. B means the area of the base times the height. Right. How to find the area of the base? This is the base for triangular prism. This is the base. As you see, the base here, triangle. Triangle. How to find the area of the triangle? Start from the formula. The formula will be 1/2 multiplied by the base of triangle times the height of triangle. Then times the height of prism. So 1/2 multiplied by the base will be 6.5 multiplied by the height will be 8.25 multiplied by the height of the prism multiplied by the height of the prism. Who can tell me here what is the height of the prism? Here the height of the triangle. I write it here. But what is the height of the prism? Where is the height of the prism?
15.3.
Great, 15.3. Now we can find the product here, then divide by 2. So we have 6.5 times 8.25 times 15.3. The answer will be 820.4625 divided by 2. So the last answer will be 410.23. Now who can tell me what is the unit here?
Centimeter cube.
Inch square?
Yes.
Inch squared or inch cubic?
This is inch cube.
Yes. Inch times inch squared. Inch squared times inch will be inch cubic. Inch cubic. Always the volume cubic because 3-dimensional. The area squared because 2-dimensional. Okay? Who has any question here?
No questions.
Mister,
Yes.
can you go back? Or you can't?
I can repeat, no problem.
Now the question is the 6.5, you'll multiply it with what to get 8? No, not the 8.
The first step start from the
No, when
formula. V equal the area of the base multiplied by the height of the prism. The area of the base, what is the type of the base? Triangle. So what is the area of the triangle? Write the formula 1/2 multiplied by the base of triangle multiplied by the height of triangle, then multiply by the height of prism. So 1/2. What is the base of the triangle? This is the base of triangle. This is the base of triangle will be 6.5. So here we have 6.5. What is the height of the triangle? This is here in the red line. The height
but
of the
okay,
triangle will be 8.20. Yes.
the 1/2, did you multiply it with 6.5?
Okay. Okay. Then multiply by the height of the prism. This is the height of the prism. This is the height of the prism. So here we have 15.3. So to do this operation, the 3 product here multiply by the numerator means 6.5 times 8.25 times 15.3, and the all divided by the denominator divided by 2. Now here 6.5 times 8.23 0.25, sorry, times 15.3. So the answer will be 820 4,625, then divided by 2. So the answer will be 410.23. And the unit we have here, inch times inch times inch, inch exponent 3. So I can read it inch cubic, inch cubic. Now, who has any question here?
No questions.
No.
Okay. Now, this is for the prism. What about the pyramid? What about the pyramid?
Volume of pyramids. Teaching notes. A pyramid is a polyhedron that with one base that is a polygon and 3 or more triangular faces that meet at a common vertex. A pyramid has 1/3 the volume of a prism with the same base and height. The height of a pyramid is the perpendicular distance from the vertex of the pyramid to the base. Select.
This is the pyramid. As you see here in the bottom, we have the base of the pyramid. And in the pyramid, just we have one base. But in the prism, we have two bases. In the pyramid, just we have one base. And as you see here, the type of this base will be rectangle. And as you see here in the red line here, we have the height, the distance between the center of the base and the vertex of the pyramid. This is the height of the pyramid. And we have here one triangle, two triangles, three triangles, and four triangles. We have four faces, because the base have four sides, so we have four faces. The volume V of the pyramid is 1/3. 1/3 means 1/3. The area of the base times the height of the pyramid. So the formula, as you see here, V equal 1/3 multiplied by the base of the pyramid multiplied by the height of the pyramid. So this formula solved the volume of the pyramid. Find the volume of the rectangular pyramid. Rectangular pyramid means the base will be rectangle. So the name here will be rectangular pyramid. Right. The first step, write the formula. V equal 1/3 multiplied by the base of the pyramid multiply by the height of the pyramid. So we have here 1 over 3 multiply by the area of the base. The base will be rectangle. Length times width. Length times width. Right, as you see here, the length is 3 and 1 over 5. This is mixed number. Change it to the fraction. 3 times 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16 over 5. 16 over 5 times the width here 1.5. Change it to the fraction. 1 times 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3 over 2. So 3 over 2. Multiply by the height of the pyramid. This is the height of the pyramid. Will be 2 and 4 over 5. Change it to the fraction. 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 4, 14 over 5. Now here we want to multiply 4 fractions. How to multiply the fractions? Multiply the numerators, then the denominators. So up here we have 1 times 16 means 16 times 3 times 4 times 14, sorry. And down we have here 3 times 5 times 2 times 5. 3 times 5 times 2 times 5. So up we have 16 times 3 times 14. The answer will be 672. And down we have 3 times 5 times 2 times 5 will be 150. Now we can divide it. 672 divided by 150 will be the answer 4.48. Who can tell me what is the unit here?
Inch squared.
Inch squared or inch cube?
Mr. Inch cube.
Inch cubic. Don't forget, volume we have 3 dimensionals. 3 dimensionals, width, length, and height. So exponent 3 cubic. The area have 2 dimensionals, so we use squared. So for the volume, always inch cubic. And as a decimal, we have 4.48, and we can write the answer as a mixed number 4 and 12 over 25. This answer right or this answer right? No problem. Was any question here?
Mister,
Yes.
why did you like multiply it with 1/3?
How to multiply by 1/3?
No, I mean 1/3 multiplied by 16 over 5 times 3 over 2 times
Yes.
14 divided by 5.
Why we have here 1/3 in the formula? Did you mean like this?
Yes.
Yes, because the pyramid will be 1/3 of the prism. If you draw here the second base, you will get what? You will get the rectangular prism. So the pyramid will be what? Will be 1/3 from what? From the rectangular prism. So we use 1/3 in the formula. Okay, Leah?
Okay, Mr. You should time it by 3 or no? I mean 4 because you have 4 sides. Triangular sides.
Here?
Yeah, like here you have sides of triangle. That you have 4 sides of triangle.
Here we have here the base. The base. What's the meaning of the B? Means the area of the base. How to find the area of the base? Length times width. Then we have what? The height of the prism. This is the height of the prism. This is the third dimensions. So 1, 2, 3. Okay,
So you
Leah?
don't want to know. So you don't want to measure the area of triangle, right?
No, no. Because here we want to find the volume, not the surface area. Okay?
Okay, Mr. Thank you.
Welcome. Use volume to find missing dimensions. The prism has a volume of 195.075 cubic centimeters. Now we have the volume. We have the volume. What is the area of the base? What is the area of the base of the prism? We want to find the area of the base. We want to find the area of the base. What I do here, the first step, start from the formula of the volume. Write the formula of the volume. V equal, and here we have a prism, not pyramid. Here we have a prism. So the volume will be base times the height of the prism. We know here the volume will be V will be 195.7075 equal, we want to find the base. We want to find the base. As you see here in the question, what is the area of the base of the prism? Where is the base of the prism? This is the base of the prism. Times the height. Times the height. Who can tell me what is the height here?
7.65.
Excellent.
7.65.
Excellent. So here we have two bases, two parallel and congruent bases. The first base here and the second base here. And the distance between the two bases will be what? Will be the height. So now we have here formula. How to solve this formula? Take the coefficient and divide the two sides by the coefficient. Divide here by 7.65 and divide here by 7.65. So remains here B, and here we can divide 195 0.075 divided by 7.65. So the answer will be 25.5. طيب, who can tell me what is the unit here?
Centimeter squared.
Excellent, centimeter squared here, because here we have area. So centimeter times centimeter will be centimeter squared. Who has any question here?
No questions.
Mister, how did you know that it's area? Like literally the base.
B capital letter means the base of the area of the base. The area of the base. So means we solve the area. We solve here the area. Okay, Leah?
Okay, thanks.
Welcome. Use the volume to find the missing dimensions. A triangular pyramid has a height of 9.3. Now here we have the height of the pyramid, centimeters, and volume of 74.4 cubic centimeters, and here we have the volume. Then what is the area of the base of the pyramid? What is the area of the base of the pyramid? So the first step, write the formula of the pyramid, the volume of the pyramid. V equal, here we have pyramid means 1/3. 1/3 multiplied by the area of the base multiplied by the height of the pyramid. Then substitute. We have the volume here. The volume will be 74.4. 74.4 equal, we have here 1/3 and here we want to find the area of the base. So here missing value. We want to find the area of the base times the height of the pyramid. The height of the pyramid will be 9.3. 9.3. Now we have equation here. We have equation. So to solve this equation, in the second side here, the first step, multiply 9.3 by 1/3. So here in the first side, we have the same value, 74.4 equal. In the second side here, we have here the area of the base, the missing value, and here we want to multiply 9.3 times 1/3. So 9.3 times 1, 9.3 over 3. Rewrite the equation 74.4 equal 9.3 divided by 3 will be 3.1 times the area of the base. How to find or how to solve this equation? Take the coefficient 3.1, then divide the two sides by the coefficients. Divide here by 3.1 and divide here by 3.1. So 3.1 divided by 3.1 will be 1b, means b equal, now here we have 74.4 divided by 3.1. So the answer will be 24. Who can tell me now what is the unit here?
Square.
Excellent. Centimeter squared. Who has any question here? Clear
No
for all?
questions.
Sure?
Sure.
Okay. This is our lesson today. Let us to take attendance. Aliazia,
Yes, mister, I am here.
Beka, طيب. Sarah,
She's absent.
طيب. Selma,
Here.
طيف,
Here, mister.
Yes, mister.
فاطمة, absent. Lamar,
Here.
Yan.
Here.
Okay, this is our period today. I will send to you the homework. Try to solve it. Then tomorrow, inshallah, we will revise our lesson and we will solve the homework together. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.